Neuroanatomy can be very tricky to understand. It becomes even more frustrating right before an exam. To understand neuroanatomy, it helps to look at certain tricks and patterns. First, what we see in front of us is the cerebral hemisphere. That means the outer surface of the brain. We're looking at the left view, and we can tell because you can see one lobe, the temporal lobe, jutting outside. Whenever you see a gap in the front, that means that's the front side. This is the back side. To start, always find a landmark reference point, the central sulcus. This here is your central sulcus. From here, we can proceed to name other parts. If you have trouble finding the central sulcus, just try to find the two gyruses in front and behind it, the precentral and postcentral gyrus. In front of the precentral gyrus, we can see three gyruses going horizontally. These are your superior, middle, and inferior frontal gyrus. In between them, we have two sulcuses, the superior and inferior frontal sulcus. Coming behind the central sulcus of Ronaldo, we see here the parietal lobe. In the parietal lobe, you can see a superior parietal lobule and an inferior parietal lobule divided by a parietal sulcus. If you ever find it difficult to see the lobes, try to see a colored image showing all the lobes: frontal, parietal, temporal, and occipital. On the occipital lobe, you have multiple sulcuses like the calcarine sulcus and lunate sulcuses, but there's no major division and no major lobule, at least on the outside. Finally, for the temporal lobe, once again, three horizontal gyruses, superior, middle, and inferior temporal gyrus, with two sulcuses dividing them, superior and inferior temporal sulcus.